All right, if you want to see how easily this mirror will install for you, let's do that right now.
All right, so they do provide you a template. You just need to figure out which measurement on that template you want to use. And when you do that, I like to level it out before I pin it twice, and then I drill my holes right through the template once it's level. Once that's all drilled out, I end up taking that template down and I knock in the anchors. Once the anchors are knocked in, you can then get ready to drill those little plates in. I usually start with one screw on each side, go back, level them, and put the second screws in. As you can see, I try to level everything out a few times throughout the process. And once these plates are in, I mean, you're really all set. You can hang that mirror and then go back and check with your measuring tape to make sure you're centered with your light in your faucet or off the wall. And then you can also just move it a little bit if it needs to, nudge it in either direction. I just needed to a tiny bit to the right. But once that's all set, you're really good to go. Check leveling one more time on it, and then you can peel that film right off. Also, thank you to the brand for sending this out to me to install and try. It is an absolutely beautiful mirror, and I cannot recommend this enough. Thank you.